Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about undo and redo in Excel. So basically whenever you write something, let's say sample and testing. So now you realize that you didn't want it to write sample or testing. You wanted to start it with something else. So how to go back, or else let's say you have highlighted these cells with this color. Okay, and later on you notice that you didn't want it to highlight this, you wanted to in fact highlight this. So how do you revert back? So the best way to do is to undo it. Microsoft provides a standard function known as undo, and this icon over here does the same functionality for us. And how this works: if you go to this cell, just keep your mouse over it and it will show you Control Z. So Control Z will basically undo the last action which was done. So I am just pressing Control Z. Okay, so if you saw that the last action which was done by me has been undone. Okay, so let's say now I have highlighted this and then I have made bold and italic this and underline. So now I realize that I didn't want it to underline or make it as italic or bold. So I want to undo the last three actions. So how to do that? One way, if you just click this drop down, you can see all the last 100 steps which you have done in Excel. So you can basically go to just click this and you can directly go to that step. Okay, so I want to just roll back the last action done. So what I will do is click on underline. So if you see the underline option, underline change has been reverted back. And before underline, what have I done? Before that, I have made it italic. So right now I have changed the width italic and bold. So if I click direct bold, then it will directly take me to this action like the one which was earlier. So once you do an undo or redo, then Microsoft provides you this option to redo also. Okay, so what was the last action which you have done? So it was column width. So you can again press this column width and you can always make that step. So those were some. And if you want to just, let's say I have made this as yellow and I want to just roll it back, just press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is nothing but undo. Now if you want to redo this, you want to again make it as yellow, you can press this or you can just press Ctrl Y. Okay, so Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y basically gives you an option to undo and redo. Thank you.